One-year-old Anchorage man was arraigned in Superior Court today in relation to a domestic violence situation that resulted in him being indicted on murder charges for the death of an unborn child. Joe Cadott was in court today and has reaction from the prosecuting attorney.
There isn't going to be a side who has a favorable outcome.
21-year-old Yohani Dean was arraigned Monday at the Nesbitt Courthouse in Anchorage. He was indicted December 6th for murder charges in relation to the death of an unborn child because of what Anchorage police say was a situation of domestic violence.
The victim has already lost a child, and if the state's successful, then it breaks up a family. So I think it's important for judges and juries to hear the thoughts and feelings of victims.
The victim in this case is the mother of the unborn child and Dean's girlfriend. Original reports of the assault are from April. Monday in court, she gave detailed testimony and asked the judge to drop charges, saying the death of her baby had nothing to do with Dean, and said that police had mischaracterized what she told them about the alleged incident.
Victims of a homicide or a death, there's going to be charged emotions on both sides.
Members of Dean's family sobbed in the courtroom as the victim read her testimony.
It's really important to hear from victims, especially in cases like this.
Dean's public defender asked the judge to not increase bail to $300,000 cash.
The state's request does, on its face, seem excessive.
The judge denied that request and also denied the victim's pleas for charges to be dropped.
This case is a serious case.
The prosecuting attorney says the victim's testimony doesn't change his perspective. As of now, it's unclear when Dean will reappear in court. Joe Cadott, Alaska's news source.
Let us also tell you that Alaska's news source reached out to the Anchorage Police Department for comment on the victim's accusations, and they say they're declining to comment as this is an ongoing investigation.